Hello guys, welcome. Today you are going to know how to lose weight fast for men at home. There is difference between miracle diet and common sense. Common sense says that to lose weight, we need to burn fat and calories more than we consume. And to do we need to take steps and follow the changes in the routine. So guys, today I am sharing the top best ways to lose weight fast at home. So let's get started. Number 1. Start a balanced diet. Focus on right kind of carbohydrate food. Replace the normal carbohydrates with the complex ones like brown rice, oats, and more. Number 2. Set a dietary rhythm. Try to eat less specific food throughout the day rather than full 3-meal. You can divide the timing like morning, midday, 4 p.m., and then 8 p.m. Reduce your sugar and normal fat intake. Number 3. More in the morning, less in the evening. Before going for exercise, a protein bar will help you with a good session. For recovery sessions, drink water rich with minerals. Consult a dietary expert as per your specific requirement. Number 4. Reduce sugar intake day by day. It is very clear that whatever you eat containing sugar will put weight on your body, then remove the Coke and pasta from your diet. Completely ignoring sugar is not good, eating sugar in normal form is beneficial. Number 5. Drink green tea. Green tea is one of the most beneficial health drink. It contains antioxidants that helps burning fat and boosts metabolism. Number 6. Use whey protein. Whey protein will keep you full and saves you from eating unnecessary snacks. Whey protein is not only recommended for heavy workouts, but it is also useful for mild home exercise. Number 7. Give up on junk food. Junk foods are easy to get, but they have no nutrition value. Eliminating junk food will give you significant results. So guys, I hope you like this information and will start to use this remedies soon. Please like and share this video with your friends and family and subscribe this channel to get more informative videos. Thank you and see you in next video.